It's simple time and this is Chef Tatong and today magluluto tayo ng isang recipe na hindi mawawala sa Pinoy handaan. Let's get cooking!
Simpol, simpol, luto na ha.
This recipe is part of our Simple Cookbook series where we try to make cooking as simple as ABC. And sisimulan na natin yung ating paboritong Lumpiang Shanghai. Of course, gagamit tayo ng giniling from Fresh Options. Yan. Sana naman may 20% fat siya. Kasi alam mo, magiging dry talaga yung inyong Lumpia Shanghai pag wala siyang fat at hindi siya ganun kalasa. And we will season it with oyster sauce. We're using Dato Puti oyster sauce. Yan. And salt and pepper. Ito yung basic natin na seasoning. Yan. Combine natin. Garlic. Yan. Onions. Mix everything until well combined. Then we add our egg. Yan. And flour. Sobrang dali lang nito. Basta naka-ready lahat. And very important again, when we're working with giniling and gusto natin mag-shape siya, no, mag-bind together, you should be sure that it's properly mixed. Yan. Look at that, no? Nagbabago yung ating texture ng ating meat. Nagiging mahibla siya, no? Yan. After that, we add our carrots. Hilalagay ko yung carrots ko last kasi para hindi siya magtubig, no? Kasi if we overhandle the carrots, it will release its juices, which we don't want to happen. We will add chopped kinchay. So what is chopped kinchay? Chopped kinchay is Chinese celery. So it's really up to you. You can use spring onions para kung gusto niyo mas neutral ang flavor. And be sure when you're working with ground pork is it is properly chilled. So there are people nagtatanong sa akin, bakit yung ginagawa ko nagtutubig? It's because your ground pork is at room temperature or even below room temperature. Kaya medyo nagtutubig na siya. And that's already dangerous, ha? Lagkit-lagkit na nating mixture. Put this aside. And meron tayong ating lumpia wrapper here. Look at that. So, ang problema kasi natin sometimes, pag gumagawa tayo ng lumpia, ay natutuyo yung wrapper niya. And when it's dry, it becomes brittle. So, you be sure to cover it with a damp piece of cloth. No? So, medyo babasa yung aking kitchen towel and I just keep it to cover para it remains tender and pliable. Yan. Kung masyado na siyang tuyo, yung gagawin mo dito ay you just leave it like an hour or two in a damp cloth and the dry lumpia wrapper will absorb the moisture from the towel. And if you want to keep your lumpia wrappers, huwag mo ilagay sa chiller. Lagay mo sa freezer and it will not dry out. Pag nasa chiller siya, madali siyang maluma, mag-dry out. Bilang aking paste, gagawa ako ng mixture of flour and water. Ito na yung aking pangdikit. I don't use cornstarch because ang cornstarch, it will settle below, no? Ito, perfect siya, look, oh. Very sticky. Put that aside. Get a spoonful ako. Gusto kong medyo manipis and mahaba. Spread it around like that. And roll. Tuck it in. Yan, konting practice lang. Usually kasi, bago ka pang gumagawa ng lumpia, medyo mag-iba-iba yung size ng yung lumpia because you don't know how to handle it. And, ito, hindi ko finold. Gagawin ko lang, I will just tuck it inside. Ito yung, for me, pinakamadaling sistema ng paggawa ng lumpia. Look at that. Very nice. And I put it aside. So, ang gusto talaga natin sa ating Lumpia Shanghai ay juicy, malasa yung loob, pero crisp yung labas. So, I will teach you how to do it. Ito siya, di ba? We wrapped our lumpia and we closed off each side. So, kung piprituhin natin tong ating lumpia, no? Kahit maging crisp siya, kasi walang lusutan yung steam after we cook it. Mangyayari, in a few minutes, magiging makunat na siya because the steam will wet the wrapper. So, there are two ways itong gagawin mo. It's either hindi mo isisil yung dulo, maluluto siya, sisingaw sa dulo yung inyong steam, or you cut it into pieces. Ako, personally, I like to cut my lumpia into pieces. So, eto siya, I'm going to cut it into 3 pieces using a scissors. Yan. So, that's how I like my Lumpiang Shanghai. Yan. And we're ready to fry. So, our oil is hot enough. And we drop our lumpia into the oil. So, it's really managing the heat. Look at that. And of course, pag maliliit, mas maganda siya kainin. There are more crispy parts, no? And look at that. Sobrang ganda ng ating lumpia. Sobrang ganda ng kulay. And we are very sure that it's cooked. And we're very sure na crispy ito. So, transfer it to our colander so the excess oil will drip off. Masasarap talaga yung ating lumpia. Pag may masarap na sawsawan, yung gamit natin dito, ang always ka-partner ko sa aking Lumpiang Shanghai, ang sweet chili sauce. Yan. Feeling ko gusto nyo na magluto ng Lumpiang Shanghai, no? Kaya, eto siya, our version of Lumpiang Shanghai. Simple style. Kaya tandaan nyo, kahit sino kaya magluto, basta simple! Mga ka-simple, remember, loving is sharing. Kaya share this video and like nyo na rin. Kain muna ako. Bye!